Good day, my Son Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matsiri Soyo. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it broader and wider as we're building this beautiful, happy community this side. And guys, you are on Dear My Soul. By the way, I'm the twin that's just one solo, so I'm doing things for myself, by myself, and of course on my own. So you better congratulate me. Guys, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We need to monetize, guys. Yo, we really need to monetize before the end of October. So today I'm here to talk about another Mercedes. So guys, I'm going to talk about TD. You know, TD from Malaika, Mercedes Somuholo from Malaika. Guys, yo, guys, I really feel like OCD is so toxic, guys. I hope it's not Abu Matsidi so bad toxic gang. There was a group that was called Malaika. It's two guys and one lady. Her name is Tidi Mohonu, and the guys were Bongani Chang and what's the name of that other guy? The one who passed away. Jabu, yes. His name was Jabu. Jabu passed away, and the two of them guys, those guys released some hits for to Bob. I'm gonna talk about CD guys. I saw this video on my Pepandaba, right? Wake up in the morning, I open my Instagram. There was a video there, my Pepandaba. It looks like Bongani has found another person who's supposed to be a replacement of Utsidi. Bongani takes the bookings. It's like a Malaika, guys. He goes and perform because they had a fallout. And not Tsidi, because remember I said the other guy passed away, so now it's just the two of them. I think it's kind of difficult for these guys to produce their new music because they are still fixated to their old music because they were loved, guys. They came out at the same around the same time. Lima Figizolo. It was Malaika and Mafigizolo hits, guys. Same setup, two guys and one lady. And even on Mafigizolo's side, the other guy also passed away. So we were left two members, Ntantla and Theo. So the same thing happened on the other side also. So now, guys, these people now, it seems like they can't fix their problems. Because I remember the other time they went on, no, let me finish this one that I saw in the morning. So Bongani was performing with this lady who is singing Tsidi's verses when they perform Malaika songs. And then as they were performing, there came the part where Tsidi's verse came in. Tsidi went on stage, guys. But then, you know what shocks me is that it looks like at this party there was a theme because the ladies were wearing white dresses. And she was also very much presentable with her white dress and everything. So when she walks up the stage, I'm thinking she's going to join them and then take the mic from this other lady. Oh, no, Angeke, you are not going to do this. And I said, yes. You know how we used to respect those people because you're one of the best in the country, one of the best. I'm sure they are still eating from their royalties even now because their music still plays a lot. Like when you play Malaika's music, it's still the hits. So now, guys, I think they came to this point, and Ubongani looks like a very peaceful guy and want to walk off the stage because that lady tried to Bamanganganyana, being stubborn and all. Oh, you can't do this. But Abona Guti, I know Tsidi's and Bongani also has left the stage. I'm sure the lady realized, hey, we are Musabana, we daughter, and we are Miasi better than me because he has worked with her for the longest time. So the lady surrendered and then the music stopped and all. So I don't know what happened after that because the video just cut off there where she takes the mic and the music stops. Guys, that is so toxic. How do you do this as adults? People who were respected the whole of Africa, they were touring the whole world. So now they are fighting for performances. How is that even happening? I don't understand. And remember, Bongani was a gospel singer. I remember um, he was also a presenter of some gospel show because he used to perform there a lot, and he can sing. Bongani, guys, both of them, they can sing. So I think Bongani can still release music on his own. If you can just come out of that Malaika thing and just continue and live your life, I think they will still be successful. Because even Bongani, that unali image, man, unali image, those guys, well, presentable, no scandals about him. She's very elegant and all, but I saw one comment there. Because now I wanted the full story. I wanted package because I felt like this video is too short. I want the whole Mgozi. So I went through comments, and then the other person said, Sidi is so elegant. I can't believe this is happening and all. The other one said, yo, ayazi ukuthi utewa kanjani. Allegedly, I don't know. I saw a comment. So, people like Abo Malaika, both CD, as what walking. Hi, they were famous. We still respect them. Go get the legends. Get the legends. We still say they are legends, even though Mafigizolo, Bona they still releasing music even now. So when I get to now, what's the problem? I think somebody should intervene. Remember, guys, they went on Podcast and Chill the other time. It was still about the same issue. Oguti Ubongani has replaced TD. He found another lady that he's performing with. But apparently, or allegedly, uTD naye, she takes bookings ka lebitso la Malaika. Lena, there are people who want her who come and perform, and she goes there as Malaika. So I don't see a problem if she does the same thing. Why are you fighting when Bongani is doing the same thing? Or when are you fighting because now there is another lady who's singing your parts? You feel like they're replacing you while you're still alive. But you can also find another guy to sing there, Mohubina Bongani, Mohubina Njabu, then you sing also, you take the bookings. It's even better when you do it alone. When you do it alone, you get the whole package. Because when they say a booking is 20,000 rands, you pocket the whole 20,000 rands. But with Bongani, because there is another lady, 20, he will take 10 and gives the other lady 10. So Tidi, why are you being so dramatic? So I feel like this thing is becoming toxic. And so tshidipiso ya ka batho ba modimo kopa go be motho wa moholo, ke ba motho wa moholo, find someone to intervene and resolve this issue, because it's embarrassing for a group like Malaika. It's embarrassing for someone to come, take the microphone while the other one is performing. And guys, people have paid for them to be there, and then you come and do such things. Because I think these people can still do more. They can do a lot. Look at Mafigizolo now. They can do the same thing. So this is not right. Can somebody please come up with a solution? Sit these people down. I know it was difficult because I was so there at Podcast and Chill with CD. No, she's not the kind of a person to sit down and resolve issues. But maybe someone more powerful who's in the industry as well can sit them down and they resolve this issue, because I'm really, really, really worried. Guys, that's all. I wanted to come here and talk about Sidi ngwana batho o dula zola, Sidi ngwana ba. Aba matsidiso mara mina ngi-right, guys. I listen. I'm very much civil. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you and appreciate you. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.